Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can insert an online video into a Word document from online sites like YouTube or Vimeo by inserting the online video's embed code. To insert online videos into a Word document, place your insertion mark cursor at the location in the document where you want to insert the video. Then click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the Online Video button that appears in the Media button group to open a dialog box. If using Office 2019, then an Insert Video dialog box opens. To search for a video in YouTube to insert, type a search term into the Search YouTube box and then click the magnifying glass icon at the right end of the search box. Word searches YouTube for matching videos and lists them in this window. Click to select the video to insert, and then click the Insert button to insert the video and close the window. Alternatively, all versions of Word let you instead copy a video's URL or an embed code, and then use that to insert an online video into your document too. To insert an online video in Word from a video's URL or embed code, first copy the video's URL or embed code from the online video's website. Then click the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then click the Online Video button to open either the Insert Video dialog box again, or open the Insert Video dialog box if using Office 365. Then paste the URL or embed code into either the Paste Embed Code Here field and then press the Enter key on your keyboard, or paste it into the Enter the URL or embed code for the online video field, and then click the Insert button. The video is then inserted into the document. After inserting an online video, you can then work with the video the same way that you can work with pictures in Word by using the Picture Format Contextual tab in the ribbon.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.